Hi, my name is Alma Peterson, and this is the example that I chose to explain. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. The first one, we have a longer rectangle. We have a slim rectangle square, and then we have a cube. Okay, so for my green longer rectangle cube, we have 7 inches long, 1 inch across, and another 1 inch longwards. Okay, so we are going to, for that one, we are going to find the volume of it. So we are going to do 7. We're going to do, sorry, pardon me. We're going to do 1 times 1 times 7 to that will equal 7 cubes inches long. Okay, to find each to find the orange one, we're going to do 5 times 5 times 1, which equals 25. Okay, for the blue cube, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 inches. So we're gonna do 3 times 3 times 3, which will equal us, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Okay. And now we're gonna, so we found the numbers for each example and shape. We multiplied it, okay? And now we're gonna compare the volumes, okay? So we know that the smallest volume was, can we guess? Green, because it was only 7 inches, okay? And then the next one was, can we guess? Yep, it was orange, which was 25 inches. Okay, all of these are going to be to the third power, by the way, because there's 3 numbers by the third power. Okay, and then the last one, blue, is going to be 27 inches to the third power. So we know that the green one had the smallest volume, the orange one had the middle volume, and then the largest volume was the blue one because it equaled up to be more. Oops, and then all of them, okay? So even though some of the precisions may look taller, doesn't mean, even though like this one is taller, doesn't mean it's going to be the one with the most volume, because it was the one actually with the least volume. So yeah, so each of the volumes are different, okay? And then the 3 times 3 times 3 inches cube was the greatest volume, so that would have been the blue cube was the cube that had the greatest volume, because while the 7 times 1 times 1 was the one with the smallest volumes, because it was the one that equaled the most. And the blue is the one with the biggest volume because, like I mentioned, it's because it's the one that equaled up to be the most when we multiplied it. Okay, so this shows that the volume depends on the dimensions, not the height. So I hope that this explained my video.